What if I told you you could edit all of your videos the same way you edit a Word doc? Hello everybody, my name is Willie Schaefer. I'm the Adobe Specialist here at UT San Antonio, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you can edit your training videos using AI in Premiere Pro. Training videos take time, and most of that time is not really creative. It's trimming, silence, cleaning up dialogue, and finding moments, fixing those mistakes that we all have. Now, we don't have time today for a step-by-step tutorial, but hopefully this piques your interest and lets you find your way with Premiere Pro and editing your training videos in a faster, more efficient manner. There's a big difference with training videos from a lot of other content that we might see on YouTube. Training videos prioritize clarity over style, there's longer takes, talking heads, and screen recordings. Small inefficiencies can add up quick to your editing time. I've spent hours cleaning up bad takes, bad audio, or even just silence between thoughts. So let's take a brief look at a way that we can get rid of all those little problems and continue on with our creativity. Now, I want to show you the old way of editing and the new way of editing. So let's take a listen to my mistake first. Hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Adobe Firefly. Forgot my line. Hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Firefly, Adobe's AI tool. So previously what I would have done is I would have come over here to the razor tool. I would have clipped this section off, come up here, select it, hit the delete key, and maybe razor off this second part because I know I need to cut out this silence. Then take my selection tool, move this over, and then start to edit from there. And I would do this over and over and over again. You can imagine how tedious that is if you've never done it before. But the new way of editing, I simply just need to go back to where I was before. I'm going to go to this text window up here, and if you're a Premiere Pro user and you don't see this text window, it's just up here in Window, and then Text. And when I do that, it gives me my entire transcript of everything I've said. So we can see an ellipse here that represents my silences, we can see my bad line here, and we can see my good take here. So this is all done through AI. This is where the AI is coming in here. It's actually transcribing everything I say. You can think of it almost like when you are watching YouTube and there's an automatic captioning of it. It's not 100% perfect, but you can go in and actually edit the type on here if you double click. Now, we're not going to focus on that today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this top line of type just like I would do in Word, hit backspace on my keyboard, and boom, it's gone. So now when I hit play, hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Firefly, Adobe's AI tool. It's a perfect take. Now, let's move on to the second line. We can see that I stumbled over it again, and I don't even have to play that because I can read it. So I can select this line out, push that backspace key again, and it's gone. Now, you can still see there's some silence here where I was checking out my script, again, represented by this ellipse, but if I select that ellipse, push that backspace key, it's gone. So now if I scrub my playhead back and hit play, hello, today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Firefly, Adobe's AI tool. Firefly sets itself apart from other AI tools because of how it handles copyright issues. As you can see, I've saved a tremendous amount of time, and if I were doing this for real, I would continue on through my piece. Now, I can tell you from my own personal experience that this has saved me hours, and probably at this point, days of my life. Want to learn more about this? Check out the Academic Innovation YouTube channel. And if you'd like to connect with me, you could also find me on LinkedIn here. Thank you so much for your time and hope to see you in the future.